Hello, this video is about will in negative and question forms. So let's remember what will is for. So it's for making decisions at the moment of speaking. It's for promises and for predictions. Like we saw the examples last time, I'm bored, I'll go take a walk. I promise I'll help you clean the house tomorrow. And I think it'll rain tomorrow. So now the negatives. Here we have two examples. I won't order chicken today, and she won't go to the gym tomorrow. So those are like decisions made at the moment of speaking, and they're negative. So you can see that we use won't. So what's won't? Won't is the contraction of will not, won't. And we can see that the structure here would be subject was won't or will not, plus a verb in simple form like go, order, and then the complement. So that's for negatives. We can also have other ones like I don't think I'll pass the exam. So I don't think, and she doesn't think she'll pass the exam. She doesn't. She doesn't, he doesn't, it doesn't. So this is with I don't think. And then we can also have promises. Like I promise I won't ask you for more money. He promises that he won't arrive late again. So he promises. We need the S in the he, she, it, and simple present. So here, like we saw also in affirmative, we can say, I promise I'll help you clean the house. So in negative is like, I promise I won't ask you for money. So I won't. What about questions? With questions, we have 3 examples. Will you marry me? Yes, I will, or no, I won't. Will people live to be 200 years old? I don't think they will. And what will you do today? I will go for a walk. So questions, we can start with will, then the subject, then the verb in simple form, and the complement. So will, subject, verb in simple form, and the complement, and then the question mark at the end. So if we have will at first, it's a yes, no question. But if we have a WH question, we can have a WH question at the beginning. So what will you do today? This is not a yes, no question. This is a question that the answer has more information. So I will go for a walk. So as we can see, we can have WH and then the will and the subject complement question mark. Or we can have the, whoops, here we forgot an important thing, the subject, but after the subject, we need the verb in simple form. And then we have the complement. So here we go. So the structure would be, yep, WH plus will plus subject plus the verb in simple form plus complement plus question mark, or we just have will, subject, verb in simple form, complement, question mark for yes, no questions. So we can also have with hope or with think, like you hope you'll get married someday. Or does she hope she'll get married someday? And think, do they think people will live to be 200 years old? Or does he think people will live to be 200 years old? Also, like the do or the does, depending on the person. And then here, just the normal will. So then here we have 4 exercises, and I'm going to give you some time, a few seconds to answer them. You can pause the video and then we'll check them all together. Okay, so let's check the answers. So the first one, it's like, so they're all scrambled. So in order to unscramble them, how would this be a question? I don't think so. It doesn't have, this one has a question mark, so this one isn't a question. So I think we'll see the answer, which would be, she doesn't think she'll go to work. She doesn't think she'll go to work. So there we have it. The negative, she doesn't think she'll go to work. What about number 2? It has a question mark, so it's a question. And we have think, buy the TV, you, he'll do. So we have think, so it will be, do you think he'll buy the TV? Number 3, it's also has a question mark, so it's a question. Pay, will you for the food? We would start with will, so it'd be, will you pay for the food? And then the last one, won't answer I the phone. This is a negative one, so we have to start with the subject, I, then would be won't, then answer, and then that's the phone. I won't answer the phone. So that would be it for this video. I hope that it was clear, and see you next time. Bye.